How to solve TikTok shop not showing on profile. Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to solve the issue of TikTok shop not showing on your profile. If you've been trying to set it up but can't see the shop tab, follow these quick steps to fix it. Step 1 is to check your region. You can do this by clicking on the three horizontal lines right here and then go to settings and privacy. After that, click on your account and then here you can find your region. TikTok Shop is not available in every country, so if you are in a region where it's not supported, the shop won't show up on your profile. Click on this account information right here, and then here you can find your region. Just make sure TikTok Shop is available in your area. Step 2 is to switch to a business account. If you haven't already, you need to switch to a business account. You can go to settings and privacy right here and then tap on account again and then choose switch to business account. Pick a category like retail or e-commerce. This should make the shop feature visible. However, take note that switching to a business account may be paid or you may have to pay for it. Step 3 is to enable TikTok Shop in your profile settings. You can go to Creator Tools, tap TikTok Shop Seller Center, and check if it's activated. If you don't see it, your account might not meet the eligibility requirements or TikTok might still be reviewing your account. I won't be able to perform this because I am not a TikTok seller, but you can try to do it. Step 4 is to update the app. Sometimes an updated version of TikTok can cause issues. You can update the app from the App Store or Google Play Store to make sure that you have the latest version, which could solve the problem. All you have to do is to just go to your App Store and then search for TikTok account. Your TikTok app. And then you can check if it has an update button right next to it. If it has, then it means that your TikTok is not updated to the latest version. And that's it. Try these steps and your TikTok shop should appear in no time. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video. Bye!